Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach build an app using AI. So here the Gemini AI. So this is which is used for the build app. So click on this one. Go to here. This is the very best tool. I not ever seen this one. So here you build your first app. Click on it. Okay, so you have to come at this point. Okay. So you have to if you have click on it, this is come at this point. The task here model 3 flash. So here you will be able to tell the what kind of app you need for building Gemini. So here you can see I need to builder. I need you to build a app about my online clothing store. I need to build an app about my online clothing store. Okay, so click build. Now you have to wait until the Gemini get build. Okay, so you wait until the Gemini get build. So here you can see at your left side what are the files they are. The app consists of everything in detail. You will be able to see in your left side. Okay, so this is a complete site. You will be able to check. Okay, simple. I have here simple prompt. According to the prompt they are generated here. That here you will be able to see that the name bar, product card slide bar, AI. So everything it will be generated. Okay, so it's very simple. Here it's simple. It's okay. So you have to wait. Okay, don't close it anything. You don't do anything else. Okay, until it all the code generation completed, because this complete app, if we are doing ourselves, it take too much of time. Or it takes some 1 day, 2 days, or 3 days, so 4 days time. We will 4 days, more than 4 days to complete this app. But AI generated within 1 minute. Here I don't think so it take too much of time. Hello, that here. Okay, here depend on here. You can see very nice. Here is the full screen. If you see the full screen here, this is a simple online store. Gemini AI is generated here. The shop. Okay, here everything are did here. Here you can see that if you add the car, add details here. Very in detail. It is generated in detail here. Okay, it's generated very detailed. Okay, so here okay, so everything it done successfully. Okay, so another important stuff, this is generated by completely our front-end application. Okay, so front-end application React, it may be the React. Okay, it React or Vue.js. So here you will be able to see that we can see that without refreshing the page. So there are a lot of benefits here. It without benefit refresh the page, you will be able to get the UI design. This is very fast, completely fast. This website is very fast. This kind of application we will be able to make very quickly. Here you can see the full screen. I have to undo it. Here you can see nav bar, the cards, the TSX. Okay, TypeScript. They are using the TypeScript. So here you can go to code generation. Also you can see what are the languages they are using to do. You will be able to see. Here the TypeScript, they are implementing the TypeScript. Here you will be able to see the React. Here the complete application is made by React. So the everything are made as a component base. So this is the very best professional one. So you will be able to see. Okay, this kind of application we will be getting by done by Google Studio AI. So this is the very it's bring the successful output for us. You must try this tool. This is help you us to build this application very successfully. After that, if you want to download the app, you click on and download it. Okay, entire application has been downloaded in your machine. Okay, you have to save on the GitHub repository as well. Everything you will be able to do it. Okay, thank you for watching.